drift slowly into the glow of a living night. A slow current of starlight pulls you deeper. The universe breathes in long, patient waves. Light filters through cosmic fog like memory. 3 planets wheel in quiet company. An astronaut rotates, unhurried, like a thought held to the skin. You listen to a silence that is not empty. Every particle tells the same soft story. Time thins and becomes liquid. You pass an ancient ring of asteroids, each one humming with light. A distant galaxy crest glows like a sleeping city. You feel the calm of being small and endless at once. Light brushes the helmet and travels on. Planets turn with patient gravities. A slow meteor slips through like a bead of light. Silence becomes an ocean you can wade into. Now the world retracts to slow breath and color. Words fall away and only sensation remains. Drift, infinite, stillness, fade into a dark that still holds a distant, warm light.